Hello everyone, this is Coach Wade, your one-stop resource to help you make money, save money, and add convenience to your everyday life. Right now we're on the credit card broker side of the site, and I will put a link in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this resource. And today we're going to take a look at Acorns Savings and Investment app. You see, Acorns is the savings and investing app and is how you save and invest for your future. When it comes to invest, sign up in under 3 minutes, no expertise needed. Well, we'll recommend a portfolio for your needs. Start investing in your future with spare change from everyday purchases or as little as $5. Get investing, retirement, checking, investing for families, rewards, financial education, and more in one easy app. Get Acorns later, our easy retirement account in under 2 minutes. We'll recommend the right plan to you, Roth, SEP, and traditional. When it comes to spend, real-time roundups, so you can invest while you spend and give your spare change more time in the market. When it comes to early, in under 3 minutes, open an easy investment account for kids and unlock our financial wellness system. Get Acorns early and invest for kids you love. Early is a UGMA account, so it's more flexible than a 529 traditional college savings account. Grow your knowledge together with financial literacy content for families, powered by Acorns and CNBC. Set it and forget it with easy recurring investments starting at $5 a week or month. When it comes to earn more money when you shop from 350 plus top brands that invest in you. See all the terms and conditions on the website. Be sure to apply now. Credit needed is not applicable. Again, I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource to get access to Acorn Savings and Investment app. To meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.